I did wear my glasses on one stream because my contacts were feeling really dry, so I took out my contacts. And yeah, I did get a lot of feedback on the glasses. People like the glasses. Now, when I wear my contacts, the only glasses I wear are these. These are not the same ones I wore before, but these are my reading glasses because unlike some of you, I'm an old man and I'm at the age where I need glasses to read. So sometimes I will wear these, and I think these are also blue light blocking glasses. But yeah, sometimes I will wear these at my computer because, you know, like I said, I'm an old man. But yeah, I prefer to wear contacts. But every once in a while, I guess I will show up on stream with my glasses. But thank you for that. That's a nice compliment. But yeah, this is my first year, by the way, with these reading glasses. My optometrist was telling me for years, you're going to need them, you're going to need them. And she was right. This year is my first year with them because I can't read anything anymore. Himstay, good to see you. I know you're a great supporter of my content, and good to see you here, my friend.